Yep. Harrison, you gonna go on a car wash?
Ready?
Okay, take your car.
Here we go. Ready? Honk the horn.
Woohoo! Is that fun?
Okay. Now go through the car wash again. Here we go. Come on. See, Daddy's getting soaked.